There will be occasions in your AutoCAD electrical drawings where you need to insert wire numbers with leaders. This is normally when you've got a complicated wiring drawing in your AutoCAD electrical project. We're still in Demo 10 as a project in the Project Manager, and we're still using demo02.dwg. The numbering up here for our three-phase motor and our regular wiring is still the same. Have a look below though, down here at the conveyor motor in the circuit. If I zoom in a bit, there is a wire number with a leader. 208C has a little leader coming off the actual wire here itself. So let's zoom out again. And what I want to do is look at the three-phase motor here. Zoom in and just pan down a bit to here. Now it may be that I don't want a wire number there, but I might want a wire number here with a leader coming off of it, similar to the conveyor motor. So what I would do there is I'd actually use the leader command. Now there's two ways of doing this. I can go to the schematic tab on the ribbon, and in the Insert Wires Wire Numbers panel here, click on this flyout here, and I can go Wire Number Leader. So that inserts, modifies, or collapses a leader on a selected wire number. So let's do that. So if I click here now, it says collapse or select wire number for leader. So if I select that wire, there's no leader. It has to be the wire number. Remember, we are wire numbering. The line itself is purely a line, but the number is a block attribute. So if I click there and drag the leader out like this, can you see there's the leader? So if I drag that up to there and click to point there, and then I might drag horizontally and click again there, and then press enter, you'll notice that that number is given a leader. So there's the leader coming off the wire, linking to the wire number that we selected. I've got the option now to collapse that particular wire number. So if I right click now, that just closes the command. I have to type C for collapse. Go back up here, click on the flyout, wire number leader, and I've got the option now, collapse or select wire number for leader. I type C and enter. So if I click there, does it collapse it? No, it doesn't. But if I click here, it does collapse it. So you've got to make sure that you select the right part of the wire number with the leader. Notice you get a leader option there on the dynamic input. If I select the wire number leader for collapse again this time and click there, nothing happens. So I'll just hit escape to cancel that command. So let's go through that one more time. But this time I'm going to select the number. I'm going to right click, and you'll notice I've got wire number leader on the right click menu. It's exactly the same process. I go up to a point here, click. I'm going to drag across to put horizontal line in as well, click, and then I'm going to press enter to finish. Notice I still get the same prompt, collapse or select wire number for leader. So now if I type C for collapse and then press enter, I select the wire number leader for collapse, or I've got a leader option. Can you see that? So if I type D and then enter, select wire number for leader. So that goes back to the leader command. So if I type C again for collapse, I then select the wire number, it collapses the leader. It's a little bit weird and a bit misleading on some of the wording there. Don't worry about that. It does take a little bit of getting used to. And then once you're done, just hit escape a couple of times to cancel the command. But those leaders are very, very handy if you've got a very convoluted wiring drawing with lots of wiring, lots of numbers, and it's very complex. So utilize that leader command. It's available up here. There's the leader command there. But also, more importantly, you can just click on the wire number itself, right click, and use wire number leader there.